Welcome back to the final part of our transatlantic cruise. This is our final day inside of Paris Disney. I wanted to put it out today because today would have been my sister's birthday.
Hello, camcorder. Guess what? I have legs. Where did I get these? I don't know.
This year she would have been turning 28, so it's incredibly important to me to be able to compile all this together since we never had a chance to watch it together while she's still with us. So we started out our day in Paris Disney as per the norm, and today we did a whole bunch of stuff we had never done before, like taking the trolley thing down Main Street USA. That was something completely new. It was a really weird experience for us, although Steffi really was having a blast with it, but I felt pretty awkward about it. But it was really pretty and I loved it a lot. And I mean, the castle itself is just so incredibly gorgeous. I love the architecture so much. I could not get enough of it.
This is a night, it's a beautiful night, and they call it Bella Notte. What? Am I Santa Claus? But when it's all over, ta-na-na-na, to our old friend Davy Jones. Oh, our old friend Davy Jones. Get to your stations, people. Wait a second. Wrong ride.
Attention! Prepare for an incoming video link from the Grand Councilwoman.
How? Stitch was created in a lab against all our laws by Dr. Jumba Jokiba. Today we discovered that Stitch is missing. Not even Lilo knows where he is. We're sending out this message to all Earthlings. Help us find Stitch and get him home to his family.
Steffi, what you doing?
I'm gonna go scream.
Scream into what?
Scream into a scream monitor so I can power up the city. Even though laughing is 10 times more powerful than scream.
You should try laughing and see if it works better.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh gosh, my ears.
Did it work?
Oh, far beyond what you needed.
Yes.
You should try laughing.
I should. It didn't work.
It didn't work at all. Try a super happy laugh. Well then.
Am I disproving a theory?
You used to prove your theory.
Maybe it's just not calibrated to laugh power. Don't worry, I'll re-engineer it.
Want to help me add some sound effects to a movie?
Sure.
Now it's time to record your sound effect. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't do very well. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your stress. Yeah, man.
Such interesting voices. And now that I've stolen them, let's see how you did.
I can't say the word.
Fine, take them.
Hey, you just said the word photo.
Fishes in the...
Touching your face. I'm touching your face.
After an entire morning of singing and goofing around, we actually caught the 20th anniversary parade, which we didn't even know existed until the last day. We were very surprised to see this, but the floats were pretty cute. It was a very short parade, but very, very entertaining nonetheless. Plus, everything is rainbow, and if you know me, you know that I love rainbows. After the parade, for the first time ever, we decided to explore the fort.
Hey, girl.
Hey girl.
It's not exactly my cup of tea, but Steffi always knew how to make everything so much fun.
Stairs! My favorite thing to do ever!
So we explored this entire thing from top to bottom. She spent time talking to the prisoners and learning about the history and reading all the plaques. And having my family there made it 10 times better than I ever thought it could be.
He looks friendly. What are you talking about? He's so friendly.
He's just checking out his teeth, thinking, are they clean enough?
Looks like Charles Manson.
Everybody just calm down. Oh, okay.
Pulls it back like this.
Howdy, ma'am. And then you go. You just like hangs off.
But what if people like grab you back by the hat?
They don't do that.
I don't think
There's
that.
respect.
Afterwards, we rode Phantom Manor one more time, and I still managed not to get any good footage of it. And then we made our way over to the Molly Brown, which is the ship that goes in a circle around Disneyland. This, once again, is something that I would not call fun. I avidly go out of my way to avoid going on the steamships and everything like that, but once again, Steffi knew how to make it a blast. And honestly, the scenery was pretty nice. Like, it was really interesting getting to see the differences between this ship and the one in Disneyland and the one in Disney World. During lunchtime, we went out into downtown Disney area, and Steffi is the kind of person that when she sees something, she has to try it out. Like bungee jumping. There was like a bungee jumping thing. I don't remember where, but she had to go do it. And as soon as she saw these ginormous like snowballs, essentially, she immediately was like, yes, I don't care how much it is. I need to hop in it right now. And that was just her lifestyle. She ran into everything head first. She wasn't afraid to live, and that's something that I just thought was so incredible, and something that I miss about her so much, and something that I've never been able to do myself. I'm very calculated and hesitant and very like older sibling timidness, and she's more like the Anna of the relationship, where she just goes forth and just didn't hold anything back, and she really knew what it was like to live, and I just think that is so incredibly cool. Seeing these memories again just remind me of a time when things were a little bit brighter, and I do really miss this, and I miss how like relaxing times had been, and I wish I hadn't taken them for granted. So I'm hoping by watching this, maybe you guys can learn the same lesson that I learned the hard way, and really cherish your time that you have with your loved ones.
What a workout, man. Sweating all over. I know. Oh my god, it was so much fun though. It was so much fun. Well worth 10 euros.
That was actually tiring. Mom was easier to push than Steffi. Mom had control. Steffi was like, oh, I'm falling, I can't get up.
Oh my god, Steffi! What's he done to you? Oh no! Slow-mo.
And then afterwards, we made our way back into the park, rode Pirates of the Caribbean one more time, and then went back to check out the Skull Rock area because the sunset made it so incredibly beautiful.
It's not like the captain to say words like please. You know he must be in terrible codfish mode. Look, it's a codfish! Codfish! I'm a map, 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 I'm a map. I'm a map! Woo! Yoga on the beach at sunset. Yeah. Look at this impressive flamingo duck with his head backwards, doing yoga on the beach at sunset. Look at that tight, strong leg there. He is just so impressive.
a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
How was your trip?
It was good.
Ride, shark!